How to make vegan marshmallows. Sweet and fluffy marshmallows that are perfect for vegans and vegetarians. Ingredients: ½ cup aquafaba or the liquid from canned chickpeas, 1/4 teaspoon cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons vanilla extract, 2/3 cup of water, 1 tablespoon agar powder, 1 1/4 cup granulated sugar, ½ cup powdered sugar. Instructions. Step 1: Prepare the baking dish by dusting the bottom with powdered sugar. Set aside. Step 2: In a mixing bowl, whip the aquafaba and cream of tartar on high for 6 minutes or until it becomes fluffy. Step 3: Add the vanilla extract and whip for another 3 minutes or until stiff peaks begin to form. Set aside. Step 4: In a saucepan, bring the water and agar powder to a boil while stirring frequently. This should take around 3 minutes. Step 5: Add in the granulated sugar and boil for another 3 minutes. Stir constantly. Step 6: Remove from the heat and add the sugar mixture into the aquafaba. Fluff slowly. Get all of the syrup into the aquafaba by scraping the bottom of the saucepan with a rubber spatula. Step 7: Whip on low for 30 seconds until it becomes fluffier and more velvety. Step 8: Pour the mixture onto the dusted baking dish. Step 9: Dust the top of the marshmallows with powdered sugar and let cool for an hour. Step 10: Cut the marshmallows into 1-inch squares and dust all sides with powdered sugar. Step 11: To dry the marshmallows more, heat the oven and turn it off when it reaches 150 degrees Fahrenheit. Pop the mallows in the warm oven for 1 hour. Step 12: Store in an airtight container.